y'all, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to shoot a quick intro to this video so that I could show you the dried results of the last two videos. Here's the first one. It dried so gorgeous. You can see the metallics, how they shimmer in there. So pretty. This is available for purchase. If you're interested, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. Let's take a look at the other painting. Here's the one that has the metallic and pearlescent colors in it. It also dried beautifully. They work really well together. Look at all that shimmer that's in there still. Even dried with no finish on it. They are gorgeous. This will also get a coat of resin. I'm hoping to get a bunch of these pieces resined next week. So, this one is also available. If you're interested, reach out to me. Alright, well, let's get on with the video for today. Thanks! Hey y'all! Thanks for joining me again. So every month, KS Resin has a challenge. And they pick 6 different colors that you need to use in some kind of artwork. It doesn't matter what kind of artwork you do as long as you are using some type of KS resin in it. And you have to be a part of their Facebook group. I'll put a link to that down in the description. And this month's colors I have tried to match as good as I can. They have different ones that they'll show you, and then you choose those colors, and it has the code for it, like FFFFFF I think is for white. But so you can look it up somehow. I don't know. I just try to see what colors I have that look like the colors that are showing on my phone. But so the base that I'm going to use is Titanium White by Master's Touch. And then the 6 colors that I have matched are Pearl Carbon Black by Arteza. It's not this color. It's just a black. It like that. So it actually has like kind of a bluish hue to it. I don't know if you can see the bluish hue that it has to it. And Pearlescent White by Master's Touch. Even though I'm using white for the base, I wanted to use this because it's a pearlescent color. Iridescent Fiery Red by Arteza. Iridescent Glowing Peach by Arteza. In this, it looks pink. Even the color that I have on here looks pink, but when you pour it out, you have pink and peach and gold. So I like that color. And the color that they wanted is more of a peachy color, so that's why I chose this one. And an Extreme Sheen Coral by DecoArt. And Following with Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. And this is an 8x10 canvas. I taped the back, put push pins in, made sure that it's level over where I'm going to put it to dry. It's mostly level over here as well. And then I went ahead and sprayed the back of it because it was really, really loose. So I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Alright, so the canvas is flooded, the bubbles have been popped, and I've pulled some stuff out of the base that wasn't supposed to be there. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the colors. Not really sure if I want Payne's Gray on the very top or if I want it somewhere in the middle. I think I'll put it between the Fiery Red and the Glowing Peach. Let's see what that does. Alright. I've decided I'm going to go ahead and go from angle to angle, so from here to this one, because there was a little bit of some kind of a gray. I think it was just from rubbing on something. I don't know. Maybe it was from the it's probably from the staples that were on the other ones, because, you know, as they pack them in the sets, they'll have them on top of each other. Usually they have one that is wrapped and then one that's not wrapped and then one that's wrapped. And this is one that was not wrapped, but so it was probably from the staples rubbing on it somehow. I don't know. But I want to make sure that as this dries, that doesn't show through. And so if I went this way, there might be some white in the corners, and so it would be more possible for that to come through. So that's why I'm going to lay it the way I'm going to. And sometimes I forget and I just kind of go clear from corner to corner, but you don't actually have to, because some of that is going to blow off anyway as you blow them in that direction. Okay, and that was the Carbon Black, Pearl. This one's the Pearlescent White. I'm kind of thinking that I might have had these actually the opposite direction before, because I think the Pearlescent White was more on top than the next thing to the bottom, but that's alright. Another thing, if you don't lay your colors completely on top of each other, I've found that a lot of times you end up with being able to see each of the colors a little bit better too. Oh, this one didn't come out very good at the beginning. Just a little bit. There we go. That was the Payne's Gray. This one's the Iridescent Glowing Peach. And then the Extreme Sheen Coral. Alright. I'm going to torch my bubbles real quick again. Come on. Now I'm going to start at the center, I'm going to blow up this direction, and then I'll do the opposites. wow, those colors are really, really pretty. I think I didn't have quite enough paint on here to really get good flow from it, but it is still really pretty. And as I was blowing this one out, I could see the pearlescent white, and it's kind of outlining this a little bit. I was hoping to have a little bit more of the carbon black as the outline, so then you'd see the pearlescent white on it. But you can tell a difference between the pearlescent white and the base color. So I do like that. It is really pretty. These colors are beautiful together. All right, don't think there's a whole lot for me to have to do on the sides. Unfortunately, the cells that were coming here are all falling off the edge, so they're not really on top like I wish they were. All right, I'm gonna touch up my edges a little bit, and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Here it is. Wow, I like this. I think it is so pretty. I love the way the colors intermixed. I love how shimmery this is. And I even like this, even though the colors got under the white more, I still like the way that that turned out, because that's not the only place that it's like that, and so it really makes it look nice. See how that, it'll look pink and then it looks peachy. You'll see some of the gold in it. Once this dries, then I can resin it with the KS resin, and then I can enter it in their March challenge. This is so, so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna shut the overheads off and we'll see what it looks like with just the flash on. This is so pretty. See, there's where all the cells went on this one. At least there's a few on the top. I love those iridescents. They are just gorgeous colors. Let me know what you think in the comments. That's so pretty right there. I like how it's got some black, even though I have two blacks in here, they didn't overtake it. But they add this nice shadowing to it and bring out some depth and richness in the other colors. I really think it's so pretty that way. Look at that. So, so beautiful. Okay, there it is. So glad that you joined me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. This is for sale. If you would like to purchase it, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless.